I have a question about this though.
Yeah.
So I totally get it. Ideally, you want a clean backup, but
Hmm.
if you go, say, you have to go back 3 months, right? So
Yeah.
you restore from something from 3 months, and now you have to sort of roll forward
Yeah.
to get back to the current point in time.
Yeah. That's the
My
next thing to
question,
talk about.
yeah, my question though is that better than restoring a non-clean backup and then surgically going and cleaning it up?
Yeah. So that's a really good question. Let's finish this point
Okay,
and then let's go to that point. So all I'm saying is to have options, you
yeah,
need a much longer retention period than 90 days.
but
My general thing would be like a year.